Timely troubleshooting and effective customer support are high priorities for proactive organizations committed to optimizing application performance, user experience, and overall corporate perception in the marketplace. Let's take as an example an online shop, Performance Wear, that sells clothing and accessories to consumers online through a single-page app running on Amazon AWS. Their dedicated support team receives a call from a concerned customer, Ashley, who is unable to complete her transaction since after entering data into some fields, the system appears to hang and never gives her the opportunity to finish the purchase. Because the application is being monitored by Dynatrace, as a support rep, we can in fact see there's a sudden drop in conversion rates, close to 25%. Upon closer inspection of the dashboard, there's an open issue. With a simple drill down, we can see this issue is within our online shop and is affecting the main page. The Dynatrace dashboard tells us there are currently 343 users impacted by this issue, apparently caused by a JavaScript error. As we dig in further, we can see there is a high rate of increase in JavaScript errors which have occurred since our last monitoring session. Upon further analysis of the errors, we can conclude that while most are insignificant, there is a new error we haven't seen in previous sessions, which is occurring with a high frequency. As we drill down for more detail, although we gain valuable information such as stack trace, page occurrence, error message, and even the form element that caused the issue, as this is a single-page app, we simply do not know from this view where the actual command of click on button cell 421198 happened or what it was meant to do within the context of the application. When we go back to see all the users that were impacted by the same error, and select Ashley, we can see this user had just one session which began around 9:59 a.m. and lasted approximately 5 minutes. Since the entire user session was recorded, we can simply select the replay button to see the exact error occur in the context of the user experience to quickly identify the exact cause. Now we can see every action that took place on the page during that particular user session, just as if we were present. With session replay, we can quickly advance to the moment in which the issue occurred. And now we see it. An error has occurred after the user changes the country field and right when information was subsequently entered into the postal code field. There's a loading indicator which simply does not disappear, nor does it allow the user to advance. Since the user believes this error has to do with the zip code field, she returns to the previous page and attempts the entire process again. But unfortunately, the issue is still present. Given this was built as a single-page app, it simply doesn't recover, even by the user changing the zip code. We can almost sense the user's frustration as she clicks around, not understanding what action to take that will unfreeze the system. And ultimately, this is her last step, and then simply drops from the session. Session replay from Dynatrace allows organizations to capture every user session and all online activity, enabling support teams to quickly identify and resolve application and user-related issues. Session Replay is based on the AI compute platform, which gives organizations the benefit of artificial intelligence and machine learning to complement the infrastructure, business operations, and development strategies for today's forward-looking organizations and modernized architectures. For further information, please visit us at www.dynatrace.com/sessionreplay.